Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. This one we can transform into first derivative of y. This one that is about y. So I will put this one go to the left. Next, we divide both sides by s squared. Next, we have y and first derivative of y. This is about linear differential equations. So in this one, we need to find about integrating factor. So that is about mu s. So we put about e to the power of the integration. We can see that positive 1 over s. This is for integrating factor, and I will put this one gone here. And this is about f and s, and this one you got about s. That means we need to multiply both sides by s. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of 8 multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So this one we have first derivative of 8 multiplied by b. This one that is about first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to 8b. So the integration of that one, we have sy. This one we have number 2 Ln of the absolute value of s, and I will put about c. Now we have the conditions. So when s equals to number 3, y equals to negative number 3. So I will put this one gone here, and here negative number 3 gone here. So this one we have negative number 9 minus number 2 and number 3. And now I will put this one gone here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.